Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Yuvraj and now you are watching the English speaker. So friends, today we will talk about Chanakya. So let's start. Chanakya was an ancient Indian teacher, philosopher, economist and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, who authored the ancient India political, the Arthashastra, a text dated to roughly between the 4th century BCE and the 3rd century CE. His work was lost near the end of the Gupta Empire in the 6th century CE and not rediscovered until the early 20th century. Chanakya assisted the first Mauryan emperor Chandragupta in the rise to power. He is widely credited for having played an important role in the establishment of the Maurya Empire. Chanakya served as the chief advisor to both Emperor Chandragupta and his own son Bindusara. There is little documented historical information about Chanakya. Most of what is known about him comes from semi-legendary accounts. In all the four versions, Chanakya feels insulted by the Nanda king and vows to destroy him. After dethroning the Nanda, he installs Chandragupta as the new king. The four versions are Buddhist version, Jain version, Kashmiri version and Mudra Raksha version. In Buddhist version, the legend of Chanakya and Chandragupta is detailed in the Pali language, Buddhist chronicles of Sri Lanka. It is not mentioned in Deepa Vamsa, the oldest of the chronicles. The earliest Buddhist source to mention the legend is Mahavamsa, which is generally dated between 5th and 6th century CE. Its author is unknown and it is dated variously from 6th century CE to 13th century CE. Some other texts provide additional details about the legend. For example, the Mahabodhi Vamsa and the Athakatha give the names of 9 Nanda kings said to have preceded Chandragupta. In Jain version, the Chandragupta Chanakya legend is mentioned in several commentaries of Shvetambara canon. The most well-known version of the Jain legend is contained in the Sthaviravali Charitra, written by the 12th century writer Hemachandra. Hemachandra account is based on the Prakrit literature composed between the late 1st century CE and mid 8th century CE. These legends are contained in the commentaries on canonical texts such as Uttradhyana and Avasika Niryukti. Thomas believes that the Jain version is older and more consistent than the Buddhist version of the legend. In Kashmiri version, Brihat Katha Manjari and Katha Sarit Sagara are the two 11th century Kashmiri Sanskrit collection of legend. Both are based on now lost Prakrit language, Brihat Katha Sarit Sagara. The Chanakya Chandragupta legend in these collection features another character named Shaktala. In Mudra Raksha version, Mudra Raksha is a Sanskrit play. Its date is uncertain, but it mentions the Yuna who invaded northern India during the Gupta period. Therefore, it could not have been composed before the Gupta era. It is dated variously from the late 4th century to the 8th century. The Mudra Raksha legend contains narrative not found in other versions of the Chanakya Chandragupta legend. Because of this difference, Thomas suggests that most of it is fictional or legendary without any historical basis. In the topic of identification with Kautilya or Vishnugupta, the ancient Arthashastra has been traditionally attributed to Chanakya by a number of scholars. The Arthashastra identifies its author as Kautilya, a Gotra or clan name except for one verse that refers to him by the personal name of Vishnugupta. Kautilya is the name of the author's clan. One of the earliest Sanskrit literatures to identify Chanakya with Vishnugupta was the Panchtantra. K.C. Ojha says that the traditional identification of Vishnugupta with Kautilya was caused by a confusion of the text editor and its originators. He suggests that Vishnugupta was a redactor of the original work of Kautilya. Thomas Bureau suggests that Chanakya and Kautilya may have been two different people. Arthashastra. The Arthashastra is an ancient Indian Sanskrit on statecraft, economy policy, and military strategy. Kautilya, also identified as Vishnugupta and Chanakya, is traditionally credited as the author of the text. The latter was a scholar at Taxila, the teacher and guardian of Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Some scholars believe them to be the same person, while most have questioned this identification. The text is likely to be the work of several authors over centuries, composed, expanded, and redicated between the 2nd century BCE and 3rd century CE. The Arthashastra was influential till the 12th century when it disappears. The first English translation was published in 1915. The title Arthashastra is often translated to the science of wealth, but the book Arthashastra has a broader scope, includes books on the nature of government, law, civil and criminal court system, ethics, economics, markets and trade, the methods for screening ministers, diplomacy, theories on the war, nature of peace, and the duties and obligations of a king. The text incorporates Hindu philosophy, includes ancient economic and cultural details on agriculture, mining, metals, and animal husbandry, medicines, forest, and wildlife. The Arthashastra explores issues of social welfare, the collective ethics that hold a society together, advising the king that in time and in areas devastated by famine, epidemic, and such act of nature or by war, he should initiate public projects such as creating irrigation waterways and building forts around major holdings and towns. The text was influential on other Hindu texts that followed, such as the sections on kings, governments, and legal procedures included in Manusmriti. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.